Okay, ready? Eyes at the camera in 1, 2, 3, and smile. Okay, show your walkie pose. Ready? 1, 2, 3, walkie. Again, guys, isang malakas na palakpakan naman dyan for the 7 Blue Bills. Thank you so much. Ayan, so well na po tayo mumupo. Again guys, palakpak po ulit tayo ng malakas. Okay, so this time, dadama tayo sa pinaka-dangerous na magic na gagawin ko. So this is the most dangerous magic act na gagawin ko. So this time, I need a volunteer. So, I think, Peter, can you please join me here? And, alright, so lapit ka rito sa harapan. And please, stay here. On the left side, okay. Again, Peter, this next magic, this is a serious act. Okay, so this is the most dangerous act in the whole world. Okay? Guys, do you want to see Kuya Peter cut into 4? Yes or no? Again, yes or no? Okay, Peter, are you ready? I will cut you into 4. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. This time, stand straight. Then show your angry face or tiger look. Angry face. Is that angry? No. Okay, just look at them. Look at them. Okay, guys. Before kami mag-start, palakpakan muna natin si Peter. Ready? Next music, please. Okay, so once again, ayan. Peter, who's come with you here? Sinong kasama po ni Peter? Where's your mommy? Over there. Okay, tell your mom, say to your mom, mommy. Say to your mommy, mommy.
Ready?
Say to your mommy, say mommy.
Mommy.
Louder. Say mommy.
Mommy!
I love you.
I love you.
Goodbye. I'm just kidding. Okay, so this time, Peter, get ready. So let's start our magic show. Okay, please pause the music. Ayan, awit lang po. Oh, wait. Okay, now let's start. Stand straight. Then show your angry face. Go. Of memories. Look up. Down. Up, down, faster. Alright, now let's start. Peter, so I want to show some magic. Okay, so I will teach you how to make some magic tricks. Okay, as a magician, we need a magic wand. Okay, so this magic wand, this is the strongest magic wand in the whole world. Okay, just all you have to do is to wave the magic wand like this. 1, 2, 3, and you will see the magic. Okay, ready? The music. What happened to my magic wand? Okay, I said that is the strongest magic wand in the whole world. What happened to my wand? Okay, so this time, meron pa akong isang magic wand, no? So again, you need to wave the magic wand like this. 1, 2, 3, and you will see the magic, okay? Alright, ready, and go with the magic wand. And now wave the magic wand 3 times. 1, 2, 3. What happened to my wand? Did you broke it? No. Okay, so this time, I have here a... What is this, kids? Fan. Okay, so this the magical fan. Okay, this brand new magical fan. So just all you have to do is to open the magical fan, then wave the magical fan like this. Okay, ready? Open the magical fan in 1, 2, 3, and open. Go. Oh, ay! Why did you broke it? Just open the magical fan like this. Okay, so I forgot, this is a magical fan. So before you open this, you need to blow it first, like this. Okay, ready? In 1, 2, 3, blow. One more. Make it harder. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow. Again, blow. Okay, so once again, before you open the magical fan, you need to blow it first, then wave it 3 times and say the magic word, happy birthday, and open. Okay, ready? And go. Blow. And wave the magical fan. And say the magic word, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Open the magical fan. Go. Wow, so clap your hands for Peter. Congratulations, Peter. Alright, now let's start. Ayan. Okay, so this time, kids, I have a balloon for Peter. Okay, so Peter, just all you have to do is to hold the balloon. Okay, ready? Hold the balloon, Peter. I think it's for you. Okay, Peter, go. Hold it. Alright, and reach out. Again, hold it tight, Peter, ready? So we'll make a dog. Okay? Just all you have to do is to put the balloon on your back and make a dog. Ready? Pause the music. What happened to the balloon? What is that?
I was trying to do it.
I said, we'll make a dog. So you make a
Dog.
dog. Alright, once again, everybody clap your hands for Peter. Alright, thank you so much, Peter. This is for you. And before you leave here, so of course, you need to say thank you, Peter, to all of them. When I say go, bow your head like this to say thank you. Ready? Go. Faster, go. Go. You may go. Alright. Thank you so much, guys. Again, palakpakan po natin si Peter. Ayan. O, palakpakan po natin si King, guys. Ang galing sumayaw ni King. No? Come on, eyes on the camera, Maggie. Prince, ayan, isaya mo lang si Ate Maggie. Come on. Hawakan mo yung dalawang kamay niya. Yun. Yung isang kamay. Wow, very good. Prince, okay, Prince, please. Alright. Wow. Ay, dito na ni Daddy. Okay. Eyes on the camera, Daddy. Okay, so Daddy, stay lang po tayo dyan for the group picture meeting. So once again, sing happy birthday! Yung pinakamalakas! Alright, again. Happy birthday! Alright guys, habang shout, happy birthday Alphonse! And happy birthday Mappy! Ayan, so once again guys, ang malakas na palakpakan naman dyan for Alphonse and Mappy. So thank you so much. Ayan, so pwede po kayong upo. Dog. Dog. Cat.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Pig. O, sing oink-oink na lang para madali. Okay, ready? What is the sound of pig?
1, 2.
Yung pig po natin nakakabigan na, ha? Ay. Alright, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin si ate. Okay, so we have 2 players left. Alright, ready? Go. What is the sound of pig? Pig. Pig. Dog.
What?
Dog. Cat.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Cat.
Meow.
Duck.
Quack, quack.
Wek-wek. Here. Ayan. Yo, Mappy. Alright, what will you say to Mappy and Alphonse?
Happy birthday.
And?
Birthday sounds.
Ayan. And?
Thank you.
Very good. I'll get your ring back. There. Get it, come on. That's for you. Okay, thank you so much. Go grab your seat. Next.
Happy birthday.
And?
Thank you.
Wow, very good. turn. What will you see to Mavi and Alphonse? Wow. Nancy nakausap ni baby. Oh, get your room, baby. Ayan. Mamis and daddies, please help your kids para kumuha ng mga load bags, no? Ayan. At what will you see to Mavi and Alphonse?
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Wow, sweet message for Leah. Next. And very good. It's your birthday. What do you see?
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Alright. Next, Leah, come here.
Happy birthday.
And?
Happy.
Alright. Get your leg back. And souvenir. Go. There you have it. Thank you. Next. I'll get your leg back. Come on.
Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you.
Alright, and of course guys, before we end this program, so syempre meron po sasabihin sa nanay and daddy.
Ayun po, salamat po sa mga pupunta at give po sa work. We really appreciate it.
Thank you sa lahat ng nagpunta. Next year ulit.